In this video, we are going to learn about simple interest. Simple interest is the money paid or earned for the use of money. And we usually earn interest or have to pay interest on like a savings account. We earn interest, or on a loan, we would need to pay interest. And so this is a small amount of money based on some percentage that's decided on how much ever that you have in it. So the principal is the amount of money that you are borrowing or depositing. So we put some money in the bank for our savings account, and that is our principal. Or we took out a loan, that amount is our principal. Time is always going to be in the amount of years, and the interest rate is the percentage that you are earning. And when we use this in the formula, we want to use the decimal form of the number. So here's the key idea, that the simple interest is money paid or earned only on the principal. So we have this formula that we will use, and the formula is that interest equals the principal times the rate times the time. Now remember, the rate is going to be the decimal form and the time is in years. So as we do these problems, make sure you're looking at the time and years. There will be problems that say months, and you will need to convert those to the decimal of a year. So if it said 6 months, it would be 0.5 of a year, because 6 out of 12 months is half a year. All right, so here's this guy. He's has some money, $500 that he's putting in the bank into his into a savings account, and he's going to earn 3% interest. So after 1 year, he is going to earn $15 interest, and now his balance is $515. So when we're thinking about interest problems, we're going to be talking about like the amount of interest that you earn, and we're also going to be thinking about the balance. And so those two things together, the principal that you had plus the amount of money that you earned, and now you have a new amount of money called the balance. So let's take a look at the example. Here we're going to be finding the interest earned. So you put $500 in a savings account, and the account earns $300 simple interest per year. What is the interest that we have earned, and what is the balance? So I always recommend that you think about, what do you know and what is the unknown? So we know the principal is $500. We know our interest rate is 3%, and our time is 3 years, which means we are actually finding the interest. So we're going to write the formula down first. I equals P times R times T. Substitute in those numbers, and now multiply and solve your equation. So in this case, all we need to do is multiply. I equals 45, which means that our interest earned over 3 years is $45. We also need to find our balance. So the balance is that original amount of money that we put into the account plus the amount of money that we earned. So $500 plus $45, our balance is $545. Example 2. So now we're going to put $1,000 into a savings account. We know that we earned $100 in simple interest over a 4-year time period. So these are the things we know. We know the principal is $1,000. We know time is 4 years. We know the interest earned is $100. What we're looking for is that interest rate. So write down the formula. I equals P times R times T. Substitute in what you know, and your unknown is the variable. So in this case, we're looking for the interest rate. So R is our variable. We're going to solve our equation. So multiply 1,000 times 4. 100 equals 4,000 R. Divide both sides by 4,000. 25 thousandths equals R. So the 100 divided by 4,000, you can solve that using mental math. If you see some relationships between those numbers, you could plug that into a calculator. Okay. When we get our interest rate as a decimal, we need to make sure we're moving over that decimal 2 places to the right. Our interest rate is 2.5%, so 2.5%. Example 3, finding the amount of time. So in this problem, we are putting in $800. So the bank has 3 options here. You can see that the brown, the blue, the green. So we have to find, okay, $800, which percentage rate are we going to earn on our savings account? And so that's in between $500 and $5,000. So we are going to be earning 2% interest. So what we know the principal is $800. We know the percent, the interest rate is 2%. We don't know our time. We know the interest earned is $100. Let's write our equation, plug in the numbers. The variable for the unknown this time is t is our unknown. So let's multiply 800 times 200 is 16. So 100 equals 16t. Divide both sides by 16. Go ahead and use a calculator for 100 divided by 16. We get 6 1/4. 6 2500 equals t. Okay, and then our answer then, thinking about what we're asked in the problem, like how long is it going to take? Well, it's going to take 6 1/4 years, 6 2500 of a year. All right, here are 3 problems for you to try on your own. Go ahead and pause the video, work these out on binder paper or a whiteboard, and then come back and start the video to see the solutions. All right, so our first on your own. So we know the principal is $500, the interest rate is 3%, and this time, this one's tricky. Did you catch this? The time is 9 months, so that's not in years. Remember, we need to make sure the time is given in years. So 9 months out of 12 months is 3/4 or 7,500. You could do that by 9 divided by 12 to get that decimal. So let's plug those numbers into our formula. Since we're finding the interest earned, we will just multiply those numbers to get 11 2500. This tells you the amount of interest that you've earned, but we were asked for the balance. So now we need to think about, okay, that means on top of our principal, we have earned $511.25. On your own, number 2. We know the principal is $350. We know that our interest earned was $17.50 and that it was in the bank earning interest for 2.5 years. So we are finding R. R is our unknown. We're putting in our variable R. And now we're going to solve our equation. So we're going to multiply 350 times 2 5/10. Go ahead and use a calculator. So 1750 equals 875 R. Divide both sides by 875. Using a calculator, we can figure that out, that it is 200 equals R. Remember, we're finding that interest rate, so we're moving over that decimal 2 places to the right. So our interest rate is 2%. All right, last on your own problem. All right, going back to the diagram with the 3 different options from the bank, we have $10,000, and we want to know how long is it going to take us to earn $750 interest. So we are in that 3% category for the interest rate. So we have I equals P times R times T. We're going to use T as our unknown. Divide both sides by 300, and t equals 2 5/10, or our time is 2.5 years. All right, that is our examples for simple interest. Please ensure that you are working on your essential assignment, and if you have any questions, please contact your Math 7 teacher, and we would be happy to help you with your learning.